Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Get Creative with Paulomi. Today we'll be doing a color pencil drawing. For that we have a black drawing book. It's just normal black sheets and some color pencils. So let's start. Starting with outlining the glass with a gray pencil. Here I have basically used a gray, white, red, orange, black and a brown. So wherever highlights are required, it would be white, but the rest of the glass would be gray. Here you can see I have applied the highlights with white and then coloring the wine with red, and then in between I'm applying orange. Rest of the glass is covered with gray, and then again going back and forth with highlights and merging the colors well, putting in some darks with black. Again, the lower part of the glass is painted with white and gray. So we'll make sure that we go back and forth, merge the colors well, and as and when we go towards the second or third layer, we'll be putting more pressure. But the first layer would be very light-handed. Finally, we'll complete the painting by putting in reflections with gray. So this is the wine glass we have just completed. Hope you like my channel and my paintings. If you do, please subscribe, share, like, hit the bell icon for future videos, and thanks for supporting my channel. Till my next video, stay safe. Bye.